Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this Diwali look, and I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful eye look using the Lakmé Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. It is their new collection. I love this look especially because it is glam and at the same time it's subtle too. You can pair this look with anything ethnic that you are planning to wear this Diwali. Speaking of Diwali, I am not going to go out anywhere this Diwali. I'm just going to spend it at my place with my near and dear ones, and I'm planning to stay home, order food and have fun. For this tutorial I wanted to focus on the eyes only, so I already did my base, and now let's get started. So I'm going to use the Sundowner eyeshadow palette. It's got such pretty beautiful shades, and the first shade I'm going to use is this very pretty orange shade. I am going to use this shade in the crease of my eyes. This is a very pretty shade for the crease of your eyes. It's not pure orange, it's a little rusty orange, which I love. I love the color payoff. I'm adding little at a time and just building the color. I always love a very warm orange shade in the crease of my eyes. The colors are pigmented, so you need to apply little at a time and build it according to your preference. The texture is very smooth and I did not have any problem playing with it. I love it. There are no fallouts and I'm happy with the color payoff. Guys, you might have noticed I already primed my eyelids before I started off with the eye makeup. The next palette I'm going to use is this Berry Martini palette. This might be my favorite palette in the collection. Since I have something pink going on, I will apply a pink eyeshadow on my eyelids. So I'm going to apply this bright pink eyeshadow on my eyelids, and I think I'm going to apply it with my fingers. Oh my god. It's such a beautiful pink and you can actually build up the color. It is very subtle, yet it adds a pop of color. What I love about this is it's not bam on your face types color. Okay, this looks beautiful and I already love it. And on this eye, I'm using a brush just to show you how it works with a brush also. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the color on the brush and I'm sweeping the color on the eyelids. Now for the outer corners, taking the same Berry Martini palette, I'm going to use this beautiful berry shade. And I'm glad that these eyeshadow palettes, they have a mirror. And it comes really handy. So I don't have to look into any other mirror. I can just do my makeup using this mirror. I really love the texture. The texture is very smooth and it blends super easily. I'm really happy how beautifully it blended. I really don't have to work too hard to blend these eyeshadows. Is just amazing how well they blend. I'm just applying the lightest pressure. Actually, I'm not applying any pressure and it blends beautifully. And now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna apply this beautiful shimmer eyeshadow. This is also like a purple berry eyeshadow. Now going back with the Sundowner palette, I am going to take the same crease color. I'm just going to apply it right below this beautiful shimmery purple just to tie the whole look together. Now I'm gonna apply some lashes and be right back. Okay, so I have my lashes on. Now I'm going to take this Smoke-In Glam eyeshadow palette, and all the eyeshadow palettes come with this brush, so I'm going to utilize this brush. So I am going to take this black eyeshadow. I'm going to pick some with this brush and apply it just like a liner. So I'm not using any kajal, I'm just using this eyeshadow to line my upper lash line, just to give it a little definition and also to hide the lash glue. If you get these brushes that come with the eyeshadow palette, don't throw these away because they come really handy for situations like this. Wow, I love the pigment of this eyeshadow. I'm also going to take some of the black and apply it on my lower lash line. And then with the other end, I'm just going to smudge it. very, very lightly, just to get that smoky effect. This just glammed up the eye look so much more. So I just put on lipstick and added a bindi. And my eye look is complete. Now I'm going to go ahead with my eyebrows. This collection also has this micro brow perfector. So I've got it in charcoal and coffee. I'm going to use the lighter shade in this portion, like where my eyebrows begin, and the darker shade towards the end. The micro brow perfector has a precise tip. So it's very easy to make hair-like strokes. And now I'm going to use the darker shade towards the end. It really helps me shape my eyebrows really, really well. And I really like it. Okay, last but not the least, taking this Sundowner palette again, I am going to use this beautiful golden shade in the inner corners of my eyes. Eyes look so much more open and awake. I am loving my eye look. I love all 4 eyeshadow palettes. I'm amazed by the color range. I'm going to show you now each individual eyeshadow palette. So they come in a very, very festive and pretty packaging. So the first eyeshadow palette I'm going to show you is this Smokin' Glam eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has got both matte and shimmer. They have browns, bronze, golden, metallic blue, black. It's a very, very pretty smoky eyeshadow palette. The next eyeshadow palette is called Stilettos. This is a very pretty eyeshadow palette. This has got a couple of golds, brown, midnight blue, green, metallic black, and this palette has also got a beautiful mix of mattes and shimmer. Next eyeshadow palette is called Sundowner. This has got beautiful brick orange, yellow, burgundy, a beautiful berry shade, a couple of golds here, a metallic berry. So there are some mattes and there are some shimmers. It's beautiful. Next palette is undoubtedly my favorite palette. This is called the Berry Martini. Oh my god, I absolutely love this palette. I love the colors in here. So this one also has got a nice mix of matte and shimmers. It's got beautiful plums, a very pretty pink, bronze, gold, pinkish peach, and it's super, super pretty. As soon as I got these eyeshadow palettes, I couldn't wait to create a look with these. Okay, so let's just swatch a couple of shades. So I'm just gonna swatch one of their matte shades and one of their shimmer shades. I'm feeling like swatching another matte shade. Now moving on to their shimmer shades, I am going to swatch this shade. It's buttery soft. I love how pigmented and how soft and buttery they are. And this is just one layer of color. I did not add any other layer. I love how pigmented they are, and you can build the color according to your liking. I love the variety of colors that they have in there. And there's a mix of matte and shimmer eyeshadows. The eyeshadows blend super easily. You don't even have to put in so much of effort to blend the eyeshadows. It just blends beautifully. I really love the texture. The texture is very soft and velvety. And I think if you're a beginner, these eyeshadow palettes will be perfect for you because again it blends super easily and it's value for money. Alright guys, so this is my finished makeup look. I love this look, and do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Now I'm gonna click some pictures and be spotlight ready. Alright, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. Happy Diwali!